Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is DaveNatch, I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Stock List. Today is Sunday, October the 24th. In today's video, I have two plays for you to put on stock this coming week. Before I go into the plays, let me delve into Friday's recap of the markets. The Dow closed up 0.21% at a record high, 35,677, brand new record high, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed up they closed down 0.82% on Friday, sitting at 15,090, the Nas. Apple closed down 0.53% at $148.69. The big winner on Friday, PHUN, Dave's play. PHUN closed up a whopping and eye-popping 471% at 874. Congratulations to whomever took advantage of this one, PHUN. The stock opened up at 753 and spiked as high as 2404, brand new 52-week high. And the low on the day was 552. The volume, a whopping, an epic, an eye-popping 648 million shares exchanged hands. Compare and contrast to their average volume of 13 million. PHUN, the big winner. Another big winner was DWAC, DWAC. They closed up 107% on Friday at $94.20. The stock opened up at 118 and spiked as high as 175. Let me say that again. The stock opened up at 118 and spiked as high as $175. And the low on the day, $69. DWAC. The volume, 128 million, compare and contrast to their average volume of a whopping 37 million. DWAC. Please sit tight for the plays to put on stock.
Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 4 free stocks whenever you sign up. Minimum deposit required is $100. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go.
Please hammer like. Please subscribe to the channel. Around here we find supernova movers early. Dave's Play is the place to be. Just want to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. I really appreciate you. All right, Dave's play to put on start this coming week. Number one, this one is a BP play, the acronym for bounce play. SCKT plunged 24% at 677 on profit taking. The company came out with strong earnings results and after hours on Thursday, and this is just pure profit taking in my opinion. This one might bounce this coming week. Let's see what happens. SCKT is in the computer hardware space, and this one is also spikeable. For example, on or about February 16th, the stock went from $2.90 all the way to $35. Let me repeat that. The stock went from $2.90 to $35 all in one trading day. Pay attention. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 52 million. They have 5 million in the float. 20% of the float are held by insiders. 6% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 2% of the float. Their profit margin is a positive 23%. This is SCKT. Their operating margin is a positive 12%. Their ROA is a positive 8%. Their ROE is a positive 37%. 37%. Their return on equity. Let's continue. They have 22 million in total revenues. Their revenue per share is 3.24. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 54% year over year. Let me repeat that. SCKT's quarterly revenue growth is up 54% year over year. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is 3.22 million. Their net income is 4.7 mil. Their total cash, 5 mil. and their total debt 2 mil, bringing them to a current ratio of 4.67 SCKT. Also, their book value per share is 2.55. Let's jump right into stock number 2 to put in stock this coming week. The purpose of the stock list is for you to put it on your trading platform, on your watch list, okay? And wait for a dip. I mean, if it's been spiking, and then you buy it up, okay? And also, it's for you to do your due diligence on the companies. Check out the historicals, check out their charts, check out their current affairs news, and also check out their CEO. Very important. Let's continue. Stock number 2 to put on stock this coming week is CRTD. CRTD closed up 41% on Friday at $4.13. The higher day on Friday, $9.80. The low on the day, $3.91. So you see the kind of move this one could make, CRTD. The volume on Friday was 142 million. Their average volume is 3 million. This one is in the internet content and information space. Internet content and information space, okay? Let's kick the tires. CRTD wears a market cap of 38 million. They have 11 million in the float. 17% of the float are held by insiders. 8% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 7.93% of the float. Their revenue is 2 million. This is CRTD. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 201%. I will say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 201%. CRTD. Their gross profit is 1.21 million. They have 2.12 million in total cash. 2.12 million total cash. Their total debt is 3.46 million. They have to work on their debt load here. Their current ratio is sitting below par. It's sitting at 0.68 current ratio. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter for my stock alerts. It's very imperative that you don't miss these runs, okay? And enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and set your notification for my plays tomorrow, okay? Don't miss that. I'm out. Take care of yourself and be safe for the rest of the day and the weekend, all right? Boom, bam, I'm out of here.
All right, thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Fun and move. Make your money and move. PHUN, PHUN. No surprises here. The stock is up over 300% at 6.16 at the recording of this video. The higher day thus far, $7.15. This one is spikeable. For example, on or about March 11th, the stock went from about $1.52 all the way to $3.07. PHUN. Let's kick the tires. They wear a market cap of 77 million. They have 64 million in the float. 9% of the float are held by insiders. 23% of the float are held by institution, and shorts has 3% of the float. Their revenue is 8.23 million. Their gross profit, 6.64 million. They have 3 million in total cash, and 6 million in total debt. They have to work on their debt load. Their current ratio is way below par. Current ratio is sitting at 0.35. PHUN, PHUN. I could never say this right. Please put in stock DWAC, DWAC. It may not be done. The stock is up 57% in the pre, sitting at $71.54. The higher day thus far in the pre is $88. DWAC. Next one, HX. HX closed up 31% on Friday, sitting at 590. The stock opened up at 465, spiked as high as 654, and the low on the day was 444. All upward movements. HX. The volume on Friday was 4.6 million. 4.6 million compare and contrast to their average volume of 300K. HX has been making 10 consecutive higher highs. 10 consecutive higher highs and also 10 consecutive lower lows. And is due for a retracement. Okay, that's your buying opportunity. Wait for any pullback if possible. This one is been spiking under the radar. Let's get the tires. HX wears a market cap of 62 million. They have 1.9 million in the float. No insiders. They have 2% of the float held by institutions. Okay, shorts and A. They have 2 million in revenues. This is HX out of China. Let's continue. Their gross profit is 2 million. 2 million, okay? They have 15 million total cash and 13 million in total debt. Their current ratio is sitting at 2.09. 2.09 current ratio. Their book value per share is 1.06. Their operating cash flow is a positive 10 million. I will repeat that. Their operating cash flow is a positive 10 million, okay? Their leverage free cash flow is a positive 4 million. HX. Sit tight.
Cleo, you know your name.
So you put in all the work from overnight. So in the morning, you don't have much to do. Right, you're the best.